Hi everybody, today we're putting together the Maxking stainless steel barbecue set. As you can see, we've taken everything out that you actually receive in your whole package, so you can see everything that's here. That's your frame, your grill, your rotaries, your motors. So our first step is to take the main body and always use a soft surface so you don't obviously scratch up the floor, as these are very heavy stainless steel products. So as you can see, I've taken this and put it face down, which makes it easier for me to assemble. At this stage, we take the wheels, which I've already put on. As you can see, they just screw on easily, just like that. And we insert these into the barbecue, like that. And to stabilize that, we have 4 screws here. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. These go onto the side here where they strengthen the legs. And you just screw them in like this. And we do this 4 times, obviously. After we've put all the 4 screws in and stabilised everything, we now can turn this barbecue over, making sure that this section here is to the front of you. Our next stage would be to put the tray in, which just slots in. Following that, we're putting in the cold tray, which just sits in the barbecue. And on top of that, we put the grill. And now we're going to be putting the rotisserie parts to the unit. We take this and we lay them into these holes, which just slots in, as you can see. And as you can see here, put that in and it slots in nicely. At this stage, we're going to need a spanner, or like I have, an adjustable spanner. And if you come here, you will see this already has a nut and bolt on the side. You undo this here, bring that across, put that in there, and tighten the spanner. Once you've done that, then tighten it. Right, for the right hand side, you will need the lever and the handle and your adjustable spanner or spanner. And as you come here, ladies now, undo this bolt. Then put this in. Then your hand lever, which goes like this. Then your nut. And your lever that adjusts. So what this lever actually does is, as you push up, you can actually tighten and it will stay in its position. Undo it and you can lower it, you can high, whichever height you would like. Our next stage is to take one of the rotisserie parts that we're going to use and put this on the back end. And on the front, the bracket. And our next stage would be to put the motors on. So this is the main rotisserie motor, which comes to this side where you can see there's an insert. So you insert the top and push that in there. Plug that unit in. Now we'll need to move this to the side so we can put the motor on the back here. Which slots in there. And from here now we're going to be putting the skewers in. This one I'm going to put together, as you can see, but I've already done 2 here. So it just screws on like this. And these you can adjust to your meat, your chicken, or whatever you put onto here, which has its own screw like that. And once that's done, you can take your 3 skewers and they slot in to these, and you have sections where they sit in. Like that. Like that. And if we turn this on now, they should be rotated. Here we go. So I'm going to turn this off as we're going to be putting the smaller skewers in. Like this. And we'll switch it on, and as you can see, the small skewers are turning. So that's it, the Maxking stainless steel barbecue set, all assembled in no time.